Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. This is another one of my Easter baskets. This is my medium-sized boy basket. And here you see I used a football bucket for it. I have loaded this up with Airheads, Cheez-Its, bubblegum machine, and an icy. There's Rice Krispie treats as well as animal crackers. I also have a Spider-Man coloring book, as well as activity packets that are loaded with games and stickers and other items that kids will find fun. I like the holographic look to those packets, and I got those at Walmart. We also have the paddle ball set in here. We have some cotton candy. There's another Spider-Man activity set there. We have some push pops, the cotton candy ropes, sidewalk chalk. We have the football eggs. And I also have put a Nerf football in here as well that has the arrows attached to it. And then we have a Spider-Man paint set and a Superman puzzle kit, as well as our gumball machine. We have a chocolate bunny, more Airheads. I think this basket is loaded, and I think the little boy will enjoy this basket. Please tell me what you think in the comments. I'm going to use regular cellophane for this, and I will post a picture of the finished product. So this is a medium-sized Easter basket. It is a little bigger than the small one. There is way more items in here. And then my next video, I will be showing you, as far as Easter baskets go, what the large one looks like. Then we're going to get into the LOLs, because I have a lot of those to make. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.